Principal, Mrs. Margaret Caitlin S. McRae-Daniel, Ma'am, to our hardworking and diligent teachers and staff, to our inspirational guest speaker, to our beloved parents and family members, my batchmates, friends, a pleasant day to each and everyone. I like you to imagine a certain scenario. Imagine that this place is an amusement park and we are here waiting in line to ride a roller coaster. I am here in front of you to give you tickets for free. However, before receiving the ticket, allow me to ask you, would you ride it? It was a fun ride, right? A ride that helped us to get closer to the sky. A ride that helped us to our dreams. Our diplomas will serve as our tickets to the bright future ahead of us. Allow me to ask you once more, would you ride it? The answer is within you. Parang kahapon lang, wala pa tayong isip. Wala pa tayong iniisip na mga problema kundi ano ang merienda at ulam natin sa araw-araw. Kung ibibigay pa ni Mama yung cellphone niya para downloadan ng kung ano-anong laro. O kaya kung bibilihin ba ni Mama yung gusto natin sa grocery, tapos magdadabog kapag iniwan sa gilid. Yung kapag tatanungin tayo kung ano ang pangarap natin sa buhay, ang isasagot natin, Disney princess, artista, singer, astronaut, scientist, maging mayaman, basta maging mayaman, at marami pang iba na nabago na ngayon. 6 years ago, nagkakahiyaan pa tayo sa introduce yourself. Yung hindi pa natin alam ang motto natin sa buhay. Yung kala natin pwede natin gawing joke ang lahat. Yung panahon na hindi pa natin alam ang pinagkaiba ng STEM, ABM at Humes. Yung excited pa tayong lumevel up ng grade level every year. Yung ang babaw pa lang ng mga problema natin kasi wala pang research. Joke. Let us all say goodbye to our Tara Canteen. Wala pa naman si Cher. Halika, samahan mo ko mag-CR, tapos tambay tayo sa baba. Cher, bukas na quiz, di mo naman pinost yung PowerPoint. Pahingi 5. Kumuha ka nga ng admission, absent ka kahapon, di ba? Cher, anong papel? 1/4? 1/4 ba? Sino may 1/4? You all made our junior and senior years truly memorable. With every laugh, every tear, every joke, every celebration, and so much more. Today marks the end of this chapter, which is in fact a beginning in disguise. Ito na ang tamang panahon para tanungin natin ang ating mga sarili. Handa na ba ako? Saan ako dadalhin ng landas? Kakayanin ko ba? Aayon ba ang tadhana sa mga plano ko? Tama ba ang course na papasukan ko? Gusto ko ba talaga to? Walang pause button o fast forward ng buhay. Hindi mo rin naman pwedeng i-rewind. But when you're tired and drained, it's okay to take a break. Pause and rest while thinking about how you will move forward. This way, you can continue to pursue your goals even if the road ahead is rough. When you become successful, you'll be able to look back and reflect on how far you've come and the struggles you've come. Masasabi mo na lang, kinaya ko. Natatakot ba kayo? Natatakot din ako eh. I'm afraid of not being good enough. Failing and exploring the unknown. Pero sabi nga ng Bini, huwag mag-alala, buhay ay hindi karera. Kaya hindi natin kailangan madaliin ang buhay. There's no need to fit in when you were born to stand out. Let's enjoy our journey and live life to the fullest. While it's normal to feel afraid, in life, if one door closes, run through the hallways and look for other doors to open, bringing new opportunities and fresh beginnings. If a light goes out, find another source that shines even brighter. Life is full of ups and downs. It's an unpredictable journey, and we are the ones who create its surprising twists and turns. But I remember 2 years ago, I mentioned that in learning, do not fear failure. Walang madaling paraan para makuha mo ang iyong kagustuhan. Lahat, pinaghihirapan. Huwag kang matakot magkamali, madapa, magsimula, at sumubok. Dahil walang matagumpay na tao kung wala siyang pinagdaanan na pagkakamali, pagpuna, at pamimintas. Walang free pass para maging matagumpay. Kaya may kasabihan na try and try until you succeed. Kaya nga rin I dislike hearing people say, Janea, bakit mababa score mo? Or Janea, sayang nataasan ka ni ano. Despite being known as smart, I can't always be the best or the highest. I have my weaknesses. I can feel vulnerable. It's important to recognize that everyone has their limits, and constantly comparing ourselves to others can be damaging. Kaya kapag mababa ang grades mo, kung may bagsak ka, kung sa tingin mo na ang basehan ng katalinuhan ay sa pagtanggap ng mga parangal, nagkakamali ka. Failing is a process, thus, it is not an end itself. You did your best, and your best does not have to be perfect. You have a bright future ahead of you, so chase your dreams. Use each failure as a learning opportunity, and remember that persistence and patience are key. Keep believing in yourself and trust that your efforts will eventually lead to success. I have experienced many failures that I can remember. I disappointed my parents and lost some friends along the way, which sometimes made me lose hope. Before coming to Muirwoods, I attended a public school where I was in the science section, surrounded by smart people. I tried to keep up with them, but I rarely reviewed my lessons because I believed learning wasn't my forte. During exams, I relied solely on my stock knowledge. Sabi ko, hindi ko kaya. Ayoko na mag-aral, di naman ito para sa akin. Ayoko ng expectations nakaka-drain. Gusto ko rin makisabay, pero anong magagawa ko? Ito lang ako. Isa lang akong nobody, isa akong loser. Thankfully, I found Muirwoods Academy, where they encouraged me to grow as a student in ways I never expected. Natandaan ko pa noon na sa tuwing dinadaanan ko ang Muirwoods, kumikinang ang mga mata ko. Sabi ko, pagpasok ko sa paaralang ito, gagalingan ko. Gagawa ko ng sarili kong pangalan. If I could back to when I was a 12-year-old, I would pat myself on the shoulder and say, I'm so proud of you. You're now someone they can look up to. We all deserve a pat on the shoulder. That's why I want to express my deepest appreciation to my teachers who believed in me, recognized my talents, and pushed me to excel. To Mrs. Margaret Caitlin S. McRae-Daniel, thank you for your dedication to improving our school's environment. To Mrs. Maria Teresa S. Basilio, thank you for founding this school and inspiring students to trust themselves, explore their potential, and become admired leaders. The seeds you planted have grown into magnificent trees. Now, it's our turn to sow the seeds of hope and nurture a new, brighter future. I feel privileged to be a member of the Buhay family. To my dear graduates, don't be so hard on yourself. If this life makes you tired, you'll be fine. You're still strong enough to make it through, and here, you always have your parents. Hindi kami mapapagod mag-aral dahil hindi napapagod ang nagpapaaral. To our dear parents, I hope you are proud of these milestones we have achieved. Ito na ang bunga ng iyong tiyaga at sakripisyo. Imagine, 18 or 19 years ago, yung first time yung nahawakan ang maliliit naming mga kamay, yung unang beses nyo kaming binuhat, yung mga panahon na inaabangan nyo pa ang mga una naming mga hakbang, yung mga panahon na lagi pa kayo nag-aalala sa tuwing nadadapa kami, nasusugatan at nasasaktan. As our mothers say, I carried you for 9 months. It took 9 months to develop your heart. That's why you should never let anyone or anything break your heart in 9 seconds. Today, you can finally say, may college na ako sa wakas. Kaso madaming gastusin. Pero alam natin na ang kapalit ng kasiyahan na ito ay maraming pagbabago. Dahil ang mga unang hakbang namin ngayon ay palayo na sa inyo. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-alala sa tuwing madadapa kami. Dahil kusa kaming babangon upang makamit ang aming mga layunin. Hindi lang para sa amin, kundi para sa inyo rin. Ang maliliit na kamay na lagi nyong hinahawakan ay pwede nyo nang pakawalan. Dahil ang sanggol na minsan nyong hinihele ay handa nang subukin ng mundo. Handa nang sumabak sa hamon ng realidad. At handa nang harapin ang bagong yugto ng buhay. Baon ang bawat pangaral na itinuro nyo sa amin. Being a parent is hard. Dahil wala namang parent university. Naintindihan namin na walang perpekto na magulang. Naintindihan namin na habang pinapalaki nyo kami, you were also growing up and learning to be good parents. Sa lahat ng anak, aminin natin na minsan masakit ang loob natin sa ating mga magulang. That's why, forgive your parents kung minsan natataasan nila kayo ng boses. Siguro, dala na rin ng pagod. Forgive your parents if hindi nila palagi binibigay ang luho nyo. Forgive your parents kung ang feeling mo, wala na silang time sa'yo. Forgive your parents kung sa tingin mo kinokontrol ka nila. Forgive your parents and also forgive yourself. Nakalimutan ata natin na habang lumalaki tayo, tumatanda rin sila. To our parents, huwag kayong mag-alala, mas pagbubutihin pa namin. Magsusunog kami ng kilay upang suklihan ang inyong mga sakripisyo. We all appreciate your efforts and sacrifices, both big and small. Because by the end of the day, pinalaki nyo kaming mga mabubuti na anak. Hindi kayo magkukulang para sa amin. Maraming salamat at hindi nyo kami sinukuan. To my mother figures, Mommy Grace and Mama Fed, thank you for all your advice and efforts. You've made me feel deeply loved and supported, just like having a mom by my side. Naiinggit ako dun sa mga may tinatawag na Mama, Mommy, nanay na physically nasa tabi nila. Yung maririnig ko, Anak, suklayan nga kita. Anak, nakita ko ito sa mall kaya binilhan kita. Anak, gusto mo ba magpasalon? Sabay tayo. Anak, ayusan kita, may event pala kayo. Pero dahil sa inyo, naramdaman ko ang pagmamahal ng isang ina. Kaya malaki ang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. Kapag kasama ko kayo, hindi niyo ako itinuturing na iba. Pinaramdam niyo sa akin na anak niyo rin ako. Kaya mahal na mahal ko kayong parehas. Huwag kayong mag-alala, balang araw babawi ako sa inyo ng sobra-sobra. Moving on, to my small but soft-hearted Daddy Noe. You were that unexpected parent I grew so attached to. Your kindness, patience, and unwavering support have meant the world to me. And I am grateful every day. Ikaw ang naging second daddy ko. Yung mga panahon na kailangan ko ng tatakbuhan, nandyan ka. Yung mga panahon na napakabigat ng mga dinadala kong problema, nandyan ka para makinig. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupulutin kung wala ka. That's why I am thankful of having you. And I hope to repay you too in the future. Siyempre, ito na ang favorite part ko. Sa aking pinakapoging daddy, tatay, papa, best friend at kaaway. 10 years ago, walang nagturo sa'yo paano maging isang nanay. Nahati ang oras mo sa amin at sa trabaho mo, kaya minsan wala ka ng time sa sarili mo. Pero sabi mo, okay lang kasi isa kang magulang. Gusto kong sabihin na malaki ang pasasalamat ko dahil hindi mo kami pinabayaan ni Adi. Ibinigay mo lahat ng gusto namin, wala mong matira sa'yo. Kaya minsan napagsasabihan kita kasi sobrang selfless mo. Inuuna mo ibang tao bago sarili mo. Kahit mawalan ka na, basta may maibigay ka sa iba. Kahit pagmukha kang masama, basta alam mo sa sarili mo na ginawa mo ang tama. May mga problema ka ba na hindi masabi sa amin? Mga oras man na hindi ka namin nakikitang lumuha? May mga panahon man na nahihirapan ka pero hindi mo masabi. May mga panahon na gusto mo na sumuko pero hindi pwede. Lagi mong tatandaan na may anak ka na masasandalan. Araw-araw, lagi mo akong ini-inspire. Kaya pinagbubuti ko ang pag-aaral. Alam kong matagal ka ng proud sa akin. Kaya gusto ko rin sabihin na I am so proud of you. You never fail to amaze me. Sinong mag-aakala na papasukin mo ang larangan ng edukasyon upang maging isang ganap na tagapagturo? Siguro bagay ka nga maging teacher because you taught not only me but also the students you guided so much about life. Before grad ball, sabi mo, i-chat GPT mo na lang yung message mo sa akin. Pero hindi ko naman inaasahan na ibubuhos mo pala ang buong puso mo sa bawat salita ng liham. And it goes like, sa bawat umaga na gumigising ka, sa bawat gabing nagpupuyat ka para mag-aral, at habang pinagmamasdan kita, hindi ko mapigilang mapaluha sa sobrang pagmamalaki at saya. Huwag kang matakot mangarap anak ng mataas, dahil ang iyong tagumpay ay tagumpay din namin. Sa lahat ng parangal na natanggap ko, lagi mong tatandaan, once, there was a small girl who dreamed big. Despite her fears of falling and failing, she always knew she could run to her biggest supporter, her dad. I love you big time, Daddy. Equally, I want to thank my mom. Alam mo ba, Ma? Minsan nauubusan na ako ng dahilan sa tanong na, kailan uuwi, Mama mo? Tagal na. Pero habang lumalaki ako, unti-unti ko rin naiintindihan ang sakripisyo mo. Ang sakripisyo mo na hindi mo kami nakitang lumaki para bigyan kami ng magandang kinabukasan. Kadalasan, ang sinasabi ng mga anak na OFW bago umalis ay, I love you, Ma. I love you, Pa. Pero bago ka umalis ng bahay, ang mga huli kong sinabi sa'yo ay, naiiyak ako. With all the years without you by my side, I became strong. Learning to rely on myself and face challenges independently. Pero syempre, hindi ko naman maiwasan na mamiss ka everyday na lumilipas. Or every time na nakakasalubong ko yung mga kumpleto ang pamilya. Thank you kasi kahit malayo ka, lagi mo ibinibigay ang mga pangangailangan namin. Thank you kasi hindi mo kami pinapabayaan. But if the stars would grant me one wish, I would hope to spend even just one day with you. Cherishing every moment together. Despite all the years we've spent apart, I still love you so much and cherish the bond we share. To my one call away, Shania. Thank you dahil lagi mo akong iniintindi sa panahon na hindi ko na rin maintindihan ang sarili ko. Salamat at lagi mo akong dinadamayan. Hindi mo ako iniiwan sa bawat hamon na hinaharap ko. Kahit hindi ka marunong mag-advise, na-appreciate ko yung presensya mo. Yung oras na nilalaan mo sa akin sa tuwing mabigat na ang dinadala ko. I will be forever thankful na nakilala kita. Na naging parte ka ng buhay ko. Lagi mong tatandaan na kapag ikaw naman ang nangangailangan, nandito ako para maging balikat mo. Sasabayan din kitang umiyak, humagulgol, at kahit magdorolik pa sa floor. Kapag natapa ka, sabay tayong babangon. I love you, Mama Chuchu. To Tony, 6 years ago, hindi ko ina-expect na magiging kaibigan kita. Ang sungit mo kasi tignan, kaya nakakatakot kang i-approach. Pero look at us now. Ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Parehas tayong lumuha, tumawa, sumaya, nalungkot, at marami pang iba. Parehas din pala tayong na-depress. Hindi ko rin naman inaasahan na magiging parte ako ng pamilya niyo. Sa bawat celebration, lagi akong invited. Sa bawat family outing, kasama rin ako. Di naman ako nagre-reklamo. Sana marami pang susunod. I am grateful that you welcomed me and your family with open arms. I hope to achieve more milestones and share travels with you, creating unforgettable memories together. I will be by your side if you need someone to run and run. I love you always in all ways. To Kat, saan si Kat? Lakihan mo yung mata mo para makita mo. Naalala ko when you heard the news that I would be delivering the words of gratitude, mas masaya ka pa sa akin. I remember you tearing up and saying, nakita ko kasi lahat ng paghihirap. Then you hugged me. Thank you kasi sa bawat tara labas, lagi kang go na go. Mas go na go kay Rufa me. Ready kang samahan ako sa bawat hirap at ginhawa ng buhay. Thank you at lagi kang nakikinig sa bawat hinanaing ko. Lagi kang tumatawa sa jokes ko kahit corny. Lagi mong sinasakyan ng trip ko kahit wala ka sa mood. Who would have thought we'd become like two peas in a pod? Inseparable and perfectly matched in every way. Always remember that you will always have me. And I will always have your back. Kaya, muha ka sa akin. To my friends, kilala niyo na sarili niyo lahat ng naging parte ng high school ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko masusurvive ang high school nang wala kayo. Sama-sama tayo sa hirap at ginhawa. Sa bawat ayoko na mag-aaral, pagod na ako. Ano nang uunahin ko? Akats o sarili? May ipapasa ko ba ito? Well, we made it through. I am grateful to have you as a part of my life and as a part of my high school journey. To my journalistic friends and advisor, Teacher Noe, Angel, and Sean. Thank you for sharing the last years of my journalism endeavor. Through our initial goals may not have been achieved, what we've gained is even greater. We've sifted through countless papers, penned numerous articles, debated over fact sheets, brainstormed countless headlines, indulged in food trips, shared endless chismis, at kahit hindi natin forte ang field ng writing, nag-exchange tayo ng mga title. I'll cherish those days dearly, and looking ahead, I'm eager to keep chasing the truth and justice with you all. To my family, thank you for being my unwavering support throughout my journey. Your love and encouragement have lifted me up, and I am endlessly grateful for your presence in my life. Sana pagkatapos dito sa venue, may pera na ako. At syempre, save the best for last. I thank God for His guidance and blessings, helping me overcome challenges and reach this milestone with gratitude and faith. Cheers to all the struggles we conquered, to the blood, sweat, and tears that brought us to this moment. Some doubted our abilities along the way, but we proved them wrong. Show them that you are a fighter, a leader, and someone who stands tall against all odds. As they say, we can build castles with all the bricks they threw. As the storm of self-doubt subsides and the waves of uncertainty calm, our sail ends. The journey was worthwhile, but the adventure of life had only just begun. Class of 2024, leaving a legacy, chasing dreams. As Taylor Swift said, the scary news is, you're on your own now. But the cool news is, you're on your own now. And as long as we're fortunate enough to be breathing, we will breathe in, breathe through, breathe deep, and breathe out. Congratulations to every one of you and the proud parents. Long live the magic we made. May the stars align with your future endeavors and your dreams come true. Long story short, we survived high school. I am Jenea de la Peña Serrano, your outgoing SSLG President, Student Journalist and Academic Excellence Awardee, saying this is not a goodbye, but a see you later. Mabuhay!
Thank you so much, Jenea, for that very heartfelt message.